About 4 years ago, I bought the Bush Hog brand post hole digger. Didn't have any downforce pressure on it, so it wasn't much better than digging by hand, really. So I got online looking around to see how the brackets were made for the downforce pressure hydraulics. So I made this bracket. Got some leftover steel here. Just drilled a few holes, bolted part of it together. Wraps around here. Give it a little bit more strength. These two pins do most of the work. Saying both sides are exactly alike. And I did some high quality welding here. You see how good of a welder I am? Just kidding. This piece of steel right here is left over from the cutout of this. Worked out well. Anyway, and then I already had the dual spools on the back of the tractor already on here. But the two hoses, fittings, ram, 1, 2, 3, 4 pins, $130. And I had the steel and did my quality welding. So anyway, let's check it out. Normally out here, you dig down about, I don't know, 6 or 8 inches and you're into clay and you just can't really go any farther. You got to get a pick out and start picking. And it's a real pain. So I'm going to fire up the tractor and film this thing pushing down, see what happens. I'm going to lower my PTO all the way. See how the ram stops it? It's not touching the ground yet. Now, picking up the ram just a little bit, as far as it'll go now. Set the ram down a little bit, just barely. Start my PTO. Drill. The ram needs to let down a little bit. That's wrong down. The ram going out wide. A lot of pressure on it right now. Digging hard. Working good. Never have I been able to bury that bit. See, for example, this is all clay, hard clay. And it's not rocks, it's clay. Hard, almost like a rock. Very, very difficult to dig through. And I've never been able to bury this bit before, ever, out here. And I've done probably 50 holes. Let's see if it'll go a little bit farther. It was having a hard time, but it did it. Gotta get it to come up out of the ground. It's kind of stuck in the ground right now. Perfect. Perfect. Works excellent. I've never been able to bury that bit out here because of this right here. Look at this. Get down so far in here. Yeah, the clay's right there. It's a layer of clay. Hard as a rock. Anyway, works good. There's a brand if you care. I know that bracket was very simple to make. I already had the steel, but it don't have to be shaped exactly like this, but it's the steel I had, so anyway, it works great. Worth 130 bucks, that's for sure. I think them the kits go for $400 or $500, so it was worth it.